Hi, Mark here with an AMS Club tip. Today we're diving into Quick Create, speed up data entry plus daisy chaining. A quick trick to help you master Dynamics 365, one tip at a time. Okay, so I'm working on an account form here. You could be anywhere within the system, but I've decided I want to create a new contact and account within the system. So I could do that a number of ways, but today we're going to use it using Quick Create. So click onto the Quick Create Plus at the top in the global navigation bar and specify contact. Now the contact's name is James Taylor, and his job title is Purchasing Manager. Now the account doesn't already exist, so we can look for it as we would normally, search for the record, but it doesn't exist already, but we want to create it without moving away from this form. So you can see that we've got a new button down at the bottom. So if we click onto new, and this is the daisy chaining effect now. So from here, we can create a new account and we can pop the details in here. So Taylor People Outsourcing is the name of the company. Obviously, you would fill in all of the main phone details, descriptions, address details, whatever is on your Quick Create form, which may look different to this. But when we click Save and Close, we can see it now populates the account name for us on the contact form. So again, on the contact, you'd complete email, phone. I won't do it in the interest of time on the video, but if we now click Save and Close, then we can see if we get our notification up at the top with View Record, open that up, it takes us into our new contact, James Taylor. We can see it's created and linked into the account, Taylor People Outsourcing. And if we click onto Taylor People Outsourcing, we can see he's listed as a contact under there. So the last thing you may want to do is just obviously link him as a primary contact if he's the first contact against the account. And it's in my recent contacts there. If it's not in your recent contacts, you can just type in James Taylor and it will bring him up there as well. Click Save and you're good to go. Okay, so thank you for tuning into this week's AMS Club tip. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like it, share it with your team and subscribe for more. And remember, All My Systems is here to help you get more out of Dynamics 365.